Hello friends, so today we will print this pattern in Java program. So at first we have to go to Java and made a new class in name A3, and now we have nothing to need here, and now we have to write class A3, enter public static TIC. You can see what I am writing here, public static void main, and now to two curly brackets, yes, enter. And we have to make it for loop, so we have to write for int I is equal to 1. Okay, next we have to write I less than, so what we have, why we have to write sorry, why we have to write 3, because there are 3 variables, 3 asterisk signs, so we have to write here, sorry, we have to write here 3, what is it, yeah, is equal to 3. So at first, yeah, we is equal to 3, and next we have to getter 1 plus plus I plus plus and I plus I equals to I plus 1 is the same. Okay, so now we have to enter, and this is the main for loop, this is the main for loop. Okay, and now we have to do a nested loop, means for another for loop, another for what, another variable, that is j equals to 1. Okay, yeah, j also j, yes, 1 minute, what we have to print the 3 lines of the asterisk sign. So at first we have to write here j and less than equals to 3, yeah, and now j plus plus means j is equal to j plus 1, and in the nested for loop we have to print one asterisk, that is system dot out dot print, what we have to print, one asterisk sign, yeah, asterisk, yeah, this, and next we have to close the nested for loop curly brackets, and next in the line we have to print one, next line means print ln, here we have to print ln. Okay, okay, this ln must be needed, if you not print the ln, then it will not be displayed. So, and now empty brackets, enter, and now what we have to do here, we have to close the curly brackets, all the, okay, this is the program, and if we run that program, yeah, that's compiling the program, yeah, compiling, what is saying, compile, class compile, no syntax error, and we have to back and void main, yeah, see, this is the program. And if you give one space between them, what we have to here do, here plus, no, here no plus, yeah, here we have to give one space bar, and next compile, no syntax error, and void main here, oh sorry, we have to clear the first output screen. So this is the formula for clear screen, yes, all of you can see there, if I zoom, yeah, you can see here, system.out.print bracket semicolon slash f clone. So this is the program. So now we have to compile, yes, no syntax error, and see, yeah, these are the same, no, this and what, this are the same. So this is the program. You can also see another times. Yeah, this is the program. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you, friends.